Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to connect your WordPress website with Google Search Console and Analytics. Here you can see this is our WordPress website that is built with Asta WordPress theme. Let's log in into WordPress website. After that, let's see how it works. Just add login details, and after that here you can see in the dashboard, just go to plugin sections and install a plugin. Scroll down, here you can see this is WordPress directory that contains thousands of free plugins. Just search for Sitekit. Let's remove this space and yes, here you can see this is the actual plugin that is developed by Google team. Just install it, and after that we will activate this plugin. Now click here activate button. After that, now here you can see the dashboard Google Sitekit. Just click here and next dashboard. After that, click here sign in with Google. Yes, let's click. After that, select all and scroll down, here you can see continue. Now click here verify button. After that, let's see. Now click here allow button. After that, click here setup. Here you can see we got a message, congratulations, we have successfully set up Sitekit. Just go to my dashboard. So now our website is connected with Google Search Console. Let's go back. Here you can see these are various options and status from the Google Webmaster Tools. Here you can see setup Google Analytics. Just click here, and after that let's see how it works. After that, just confirm your email, then select all. After that, scroll down, click here continue. Here you can see we have connected our website with Google Search Console as well as Google Analytics. Here you can select your time zone, your website name, and also here you can see country name. Then click here create account. After that, click here and confirm your email address. Then select all. After that, click here continue. Yes, now you can see we have connected our WordPress website with Google Search Console and Analytics. In this way, you can connect any type of WordPress website with Google Analytics as well as Google Webmaster Tools. So thank you for watching the video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.